Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 29. Festivals.
How many popular festivals are there in your country?
There are many: New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick Day, Easter, etc.
What is the most important festival in your country?
I believe that New Year's Day is the most important one since it's a chance for family reunion and parties. People gather together to welcome the new year.
When does it take place?
It occurs on January 1st.
Where is the festival celebrated?
The New Year's Day is celebrated all over the country. Each family has its own way to celebrate the day.
What do people do to prepare for the festival?
Before New Year Day, people go shopping for food and drinks, repair the house or put up decor.
Who can join the festival?
It's a day for everybody.
What do people do in the festival?
On New Year Eve, people have a party with traditional food and drinks. After that, they may visit friends or relatives, go to the movies or watch sports.
What's special about that festival?
It marks the end of a year and celebrates a new year. People believe that the things they do on the first day will bring good luck and prosperity to them during the whole year.
Is the festival culturally related?
Sure, the festival is an integral part of culture.
Why is a festival important?
It adds structure to our social lives and connects us with our families and backgrounds.